Have here the Cobra GT4 mobility scooter by Drive Medical. This is a large mobility scooter, so if you want something large, you want something with suspension, you want something with speed, this one will go up to 10 miles an hour top speed. But this is a fantastic scooter. It's been out for several years. We sold a ton of these. I'm doing a new video just to give you the update on the scooter right now. So this scooter here has a 450-pound weight capability, 450-pound weight capability. It comes with a nice captain seat, and the captain seat can be swiveled, as you can see. The seat on this scooter is 22 by 20 deep, 22 by 20 deep, so you have a large seat on here. That's the only seat that comes now. It's automatically, you can't order anything else. It comes with a 22 by 20. You do have a safety belt. The arms raise up, and the arms are adjustable with this knob under here. If I turn the knob, I can adjust the arms right here, the tilt of the arm. You can see when I'm turning it, it's going up. You have an adjustable headrest. You do have a swivel seat, like I mentioned, and also this seat will slide forward and back. This is as far back as it'll go, okay? Now this scooter has a range up to 22 miles. So this scooter will go up to 22 miles on one battery charge. Now, that 22 miles it depends. If you're going uphill, it depends on the weight of the user, how fast you're going. So it should be pretty close to that, but some of you will get more than 22, some of you will get a little bit less than 22. That's just a good number to go by. So again, this is the Cobra GT4 mobility scooter by Drive Medical. This is a high-end, heavy-duty scooter. This scooter has a 950-watt motor. So the motor is very powerful, 950-watt motor. We have 14-inch tires all the way around, front and rear. They're 14-inch. They're probably about 3-4 inches wide. These are pneumatic tires. They're air tires. It comes with these rims, really nice rim. The floorboard on this scooter is really nice. My feet are 12 inches. I have size 12. As you can see, there's still 2 or 3 inches left there. And in the middle, it's a little bit more gap. So there's plenty of room to get into the scooter if you have large feet. Also, this scooter has a fantastic suspension. If you watch the suspension, you'll see the suspension in the back. You can see the suspension at work already. And you can see the suspension back there, the shock. And we also have front suspension also on this scooter. Now this scooter here does come with mirrors. It comes with an emergency brake. So if you're going down and you need to brake faster than the scooter will brake. Now this scooter has electromagnetic brakes, so it has a built-in brake in the motor. So the motor has an electromagnetic brake. If you're going 10 miles an hour and you let go, the actual motor on the scooter will have a brake already coming. It'll stop within a few feet. But if you need an emergency brake, you have an emergency brake here also. You should not have to use this, but it's there in case. This is called your tiller right here, your tiller assembly. And it's adjustable with this little knob right here. If I push this, I can go down. And if I push it again, you see how easy it comes up? And this is as far as it'll go up. So some of you want to know how far will it go. You can see right now, this is as far as it'll go. This is as close as the seat will come if the tiller's this far. And if you bring the tiller down, this is what you're looking at. So these are just options I'm giving you. So in case you have questions, so with the seat all the way back and the tiller right here is about normal position for driving. If we look at the dashboard on here, you can see on this dashboard, you have your high and low. So if you're right here, we're on high speed. And if I hit a button here, we'll go to low speed, full speed at low speed. This will be high speed. This will be your 10 miles an hour high speed. You have on this scooter, turtle and rabbit, so you can slow the speed down. You can see the lights are going down here and increase it here. You also have a horn, not much of a horn, but there is a horn. You have hazard lights. The scooter is loaded with lights. You also have your headlights. The headlights are on right now. And you also have flashers. So if you watch the front right now, you can see the headlight is on. Okay, and there's going to be rear flashing lights also on the back. So you're going to have rear lights in the back. So you see your headlights. These are your flashers. The flashers are only in the back. So I'm going to turn the flashers off. So also you have your forward on the dashboard here. You have your forward over here and your reverse on this side. The nice thing about this scooter, you can drive this scooter, if you only have one hand, you can drive it this way reverse or this way forward with the same side. So you can do both forward and reverse on the same side if you had to use just one side, okay? You have your ignition key right here, right in the bottom here. This is where your key, you come with 2 keys. They're right here. Also, I mentioned earlier, the seat does swivel. Now remember, this is a large scooter. This scooter, the length of this scooter is 63 inches. From here to the front is 63. So some of you gonna wanna know that, 63 inches. The width of the scooter is 28.8. So from here to here, from wheel to wheel is 28.8. That's the width, and 63 inches is the length of your scooter. Also in the back of this scooter, we have here your neutral lever. So right now, you can see the scooter is in gear. It's not going anywhere. So if I turn the power off, and if I want to put it in neutral, I would just pull this lever and it tells you right there, neutral or in gear. So now I could roll the scooter if I had to, if it was in neutral, okay? You also have back here, well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the scooter back in gear, because you're always, if you leave it in neutral, it's not gonna drive. All the lights are gonna come on, but it's just not gonna move. So make sure you put it back in gear. Right here is your reset button. So if you, and the reason you have a reset button, some of you guys out there are extreme drivers. So if you get stuck somewhere where you shouldn't have been stuck and you're trying to get unstuck, you're stuck in the grass where it's really deep and muddy and you're trying to get unstuck, instead of burning your motor, this reset will pop up. And a few minutes later, when it's cooled down, you can push it back down and then you're ready to go again. So this is just to keep you from burning your motor, the reset button right there. Also, you have tip wheels back here, anti-tip wheels. You have one on each side. You have a bumper here. You also have over here a basket holder. So if you want to put a basket on here, oxygen holder, cane holder, whatever you want to put, your docking device is right here, and you just put it in and tighten it up with this knob. It'll keep it from coming out. This is your docking device right here.
Thank you for watching. If you have found this video useful, please hit the subscribe button below. If you have questions or need to see something else, please leave us a comment. Lastly, please sign up for the newsletter in the description below to get instant access to exclusive promotions. Enjoy the rest of your video.
A couple more things about this scooter. I know I'm giving you a lot of information, but I'm that way. I like to give a lot of information. The clearance right here from the ground to here is about 5.5 inches. 5.5 inches. The scooter has 2 batteries. They're 75 amp batteries. These are the big batteries. There's 2 75 amp batteries in here, okay? So when you charge this scooter, you will take your charger. This is a brand new scooter here, so I'm gonna take the charger out of the box. So you take your charger and you would plug it right here. Since it's a new scooter, it still has a little piece of tape over the entrance for the port. So you would plug it right here and plug your scooter, plug your other half into the wall. And as soon as the light turns green on your charger, there's a light in the back of your charger right here. It'll be orange when it's charging. It'll turn green when it's full. Then the batteries are full, okay? So that's your charger that comes with the scooter. So let's recap. What do we have here? Again, we have the Drive Medical Cobra GT4. This scooter has a 450-pound weight capability. It has the full suspension on it. You also have a top speed of 10 miles an hour. You also have a total distance, travel distance on one battery charge of up to 22 miles, up to 22 miles, which we mentioned earlier. It all depends on the weight of the user, how fast you drive your scooter. It has a full display board. It has the backup brake over here. You do have the electromagnetic brake in the motor already. This is just a backup. It comes with the mirrors. It comes with the extra large seat, the 22 wide by 20. This is a sliding seat, a swivel seat, and it's also a captain seat. There's a handle right here, so you can fold the seat down to any position. This is as far as it'll go forward, and this is as far as it'll go back. It does have a safety belt. It has the light kit. The scooter is 63 inches long by 28.8 wide. Pneumatic tires, nice rims. Top of the line scooter. This is a large leisure scooter that's been around for a while with no problem with this scooter. If you get this scooter, you will be very excited. It's going to be a really nice scooter to have. As you can see, that's 10 miles an hour, and if I let go, it brakes within a few feet. Very smooth scooter, super smooth scooter, nice turning radius. So if you have this scooter and you want to turn really sharp, this is what you're looking at. This is the most that it will turn in a circle. So this is what your total turning circle would be. Now, this is an easy scooter to drive. When you take off, it doesn't really it takes off slow, and then you can feel the power. It just all of a sudden it takes off to the full speed, okay? So we're gonna take it in my grass here. We're also gonna do a little extreme. We're gonna go through the back of my truck here, and you'll be able to see how it drives in the grass. All right, so we're going to go in the ditch here a little bit, give it a little bit of extreme, so you get to see how it does. So, as you can see, right here we have a 2 to 3 inch gap right there, and they went over that with no problem. My ditch is probably 5-6 feet deep, and it had no problem. So if you're going to drive it in the yard, you can see that even over here, it's got plenty of power. It's got more power than you need. So I hope this video was very helpful, and I hope that you'll understand everything I've mentioned about this scooter. So it's an extreme, leisure, high-speed, heavy-duty scooter with a weight capability of 450, a top speed of 10 miles an hour, and a weight capability of 450, and a range of about 20 up to 22 miles distance on the range. Just a gorgeous scooter. It's available. If you like what you see in this video, give us a call at Marc's Mobility. We'll make you a special deal. Thank you for watching this video.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.